So, hello everyone. We are Sonoria, and as Edu said right now, this is going to be about music. So, that's why, as a first thing, I would ask you to listen to this. Alright. How many people of you know the song? Quite a few Fred Again fans, I like it. Douglas, I see your hand is up as well. What do you think, how many instruments or like single components are actually playing in this song?
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, 4, yeah.
11?
Good guesses, but all very far off, unfortunately. In this Fred Again song, there are actually more than 150 different components and instruments. And what you can see right here is a digital audio workstation, a DAW. But this is actually the program producers use, or music producers use, to produce music. And this is how it normally looks like. Here you can see roughly 70 different components or instruments. And since I'm also producing music myself, I can tell you it is a lot. And we, as a group, have discovered that a lot of challenges come with music production. First, as I said, it's a very time-consuming setup to set everything up, all the instruments and stuff. Sometimes, or often, producers feel actually overwhelmed because they have so many options to choose from, so many different instruments, so many different plugins, and so on. And sometimes they feel that their inspiration is a bit limited since they don't know where to start. It takes more time to set up the structure of the track than actually creating the track itself. So, this is why the team, Irina, Leroy, and myself, the Sonoria team, came up with a perfect solution for this problem, or these problems, which are AI-generated blueprints. So, Sonoria will provide custom project layouts based on user prompts to give producers just like a constant or like a direct go-to when producing music. So basically, you can imagine it as going into ChatGPT and telling ChatGPT, hey, I want to create a Fred Again song with a specific tempo, with a specific vibe, I want these and these instruments, and so on. And Sonoria will then, for you, produce a custom blueprint that you can then import into your DAW, into your digital audio working station, which could be Logic or Ableton, and then basically just start working right away. And now Irina is going to tell you more about our target audience.
Thank you. Please meet Owen. Owen is a Berlin-based music producer. He's bouncing between platforms. His main struggle is to connect his blueprints to his setup. Like many other 28-year-old self-taught producers,
That's all.
sorry, stress. Like many other self-taught producers, sorry.
I think you do different platforms.
I can.
You will probably grab some water.
Yeah. Please tell us about numbers. I will talk about Owen after.
If you want to meet Owen, after the presentation, we'll tell you more. So, our goal is to get 12,000 people to try Sonoria for free. And maybe some of the lucky ones are right now in this room. And how we're going to make it? Well, I'm going to show you our plan, the growth marketing approach. So basically, we would like to launch Sonoria in the first quarter of next year. You already have access to the budget, and we have prepared a three-phase approach. So you can see awareness, acquisition, retention. On awareness, basically we want to be where our music producers and similar passionate people are. So from Instagram to YouTube, from Reddit to Discord, we're going to be there. We're going to also launch different ads, and we have prepared SEO optimized content. We have built a full content calendar where we can tackle all of these channels, And plus we have also implemented a Google campaign where we just, as we are unique, we want people to find us in an easy way. And once you find us through the ads, then we go into the acquisition part. In the acquisition, we have prepared a website, our landing page, where you can find more information about Sonoria. We will showing you quick wins, professional results, our free paid plans. And once you join us in this free trial for 7 days, you are part of an onboarding email program. So each day you will receive a different email with hints, with recommendations, and also a little bit of storytelling for us to, for us to convince you to stay with us to any of the paid plans that we have. So all of these channels have been selected through user research, market analysis. We have clear KPIs on how we're going to measure our success. And besides those 12,000 people, we're also projecting a 25% conversion rate to any of our paid plans. Last but not least, we have the retention phase. We are building a strong community. We are presenting user showcases. We have the Sonoria Academy, of course, and we even have a premium support. It sounds like a good deal. So take advantage now, try Sonoria for free. You will save a lot of time, you can unlock your creativity. Sonoria is music that moves, blueprints that transform. Thank you.